another mini bike. Got this one the week of Thanksgiving, a couple days before Thanksgiving. I got this one on a good deal in the marketplace. What I'm gonna do is take it apart. I'm gonna do the body work, sand it. Mine is this, because I'm gonna upgrade these with the front shocks. But we're gonna be building this one, and this one's gonna be for one of my nieces' bike. So the color of this is gonna be a blue and pink. It's gonna be like a Stitch theme, because that's her favorite character. So we're gonna be doing that. I just haven't decided how I'm gonna do it. If I'm gonna split it in half, one side blue, one side pink, or half and half. But I'm still thinking about that right now. But we're just gonna take it apart. We're gonna start sanding the frame. I'm gonna restore these two, the kickstand. We're probably gonna upgrade the chain too, and then I'm gonna put a 186 in it, so it could be a stronger little engine. And then we're gonna get some off-road tires. These are gonna be gone, and I'm still thinking if I'm gonna paint the rims too. I'm thinking of doing one rim pink and then the other one blue, but it's a thought. And then I'm gonna get a new seat, but I'm gonna save this one so I can try to upholster it later and get new fabric, because this one's all torn up. And then this engine, I'm gonna pull it out, do the oil change, clean it up, and I'm gonna put this one on the dirt bike. We're gonna swap out the engine from that dirt bike, because my niece, the one that is getting this mini bike, she has a dirt bike right now, but it's like a 49cc. And I'm thinking of pulling that little motor out and trying to put this one, so it could be faster, because it struggles in the dirt. Like in the loose dirt, it gets stuck on the back tire. So that's the reason why I want to put this one, so it could be stronger for the dirt bike. But on the mini bike, she's gonna get a 186, and I'm just gonna add the adjustable plate so I can just adjust it for the chain and all that. And then I'm probably gonna go 35 chain, maybe, or maybe 420. Not sure, but we'll see. And just giving you guys an update on it, and we're gonna start doing the body work in the next few days. And I'll just take pictures before and after and get you some clips on it, guys. I know it's been a while, but I'm just trying to get back making videos. And hope you guys have a good holidays with your family and friends. And I'll see you guys on the next one. What's up, guys? Making another video. I'm working on this mini bike. Stripped it down to frame. We're gonna be painting it. So I already finished sanding it, and then I kind of fixed the peg. This one was all bent this way. It was basically like that. So what I did, I put it on the vise, and then I was able to just freaking pulling it, because I tried it with a pipe, tried to bend it, it wasn't working. And then I don't have a torch to heat it, so I just put it on the vise, and I was just trying to pry it out and strain it as much as I can. So it's not gonna be perfect, but it's better than how it was before. So I'm just trying to finish sanding it we're gonna be painting it because it's gonna be a 2-color code. We're gonna be doing a pink and blue. So this is the paint. We're gonna be doing these 2 colors. But I haven't decided how I'm gonna do it. I don't know if I'm gonna split it halfway, one side pink or one side blue, or half frame pink and then blue. But it's gonna have paint splatter all around it too. So it's gonna be like a custom paint job. And this one's gonna be for my niece because her birthday's coming up and I'm trying to get it ready for her birthday. So it'll be a surprise for her.